Hey guys, so today video tutorial will be teaching you on how to fix the modern flyout for your Windows version 24H2. So as you can see, this is our older version and this is a newer version on GitHub. So I'll be teaching you how to fix it so that you can get things like this back again. So it's the cap locks and insert and all the yada. Just the brightness has some issues if you have the layout be at with auto height. So yeah, volume just fine, so you can just adjust it normally. Not sure what happened with the brightness, but hopefully the developer can fix it. Either way, let's get on to how you can fix it. First of all, you're gonna want to open your GitHub browser, get into the GitHub. Now in the GitHub page, look for this right side menu release and click on the initial release. Now this is the part you want to download, just both of them, and after downloading them you should get a file like this. Now before clicking on this, you need to install this. This is a certificate. If you click on this, you shouldn't be able to download. The button here should be grayed out, so close that, download this first, open it, install the certificate, local machine here, allow permission. Now click on the place all certificate in the following. Now choose the trusted root certification authorities. This is where you want to install the file. Click next, finish. Now it's successful. You can just close this and now you can install this and boom, you'll get yourself a new modern flyout version flyout. So hopefully this tutorial helped you, and if it did, you can share with anyone that has this issue. And besides that, that's all for today's video. Just really quick one. I'll see you guys next video. Bye bye.